Stand the picture.
Rotate it. Rotate the picture.
Go to view.
Rotate. Avladhaan.
See, Hanuman is carrying like this. Okay? In one form, you have the sitting Hanuman and there is a flying Hanuman. This is Hanuman. Next. Jesus. You can see a cross and like a candle and you see a number 3 again. So this is the Hebrew language Om. Om is for all. It's a divine flow of an energy in a particular pattern. So this is the Om and this is the cross and this is the candle. This is Jesus. Next. This is Krishna. Eyes is crown. This is the crown. These are the eyes. And this is the flute, like this, flute. And his right leg is like this. This is Krishna. Next. Go. This is Mother Goddess. You can see she is having 4 hands. And this is the face and she is standing. This is only the female part of goddess. Okay. This is Muruga. With Valli Muruga. And they are both together. Next. So I am sitting now. You can see a U, white light U. This is the energy of Vishnu. So I have the Tirupati energy inside my body wherever I am. See, this is a crowd. I am sitting. So now the energy is flowing through my head. This is U. This is the energy of Tirupati, Vishnu energy. So A, U, M. A is creation, U is protection, M is destruction. So this is the U energy which exists in Vishnu. Next. That's why people put on their face like this. I have it already, whereas you people have to take some marker and put like this. That's what all Iyengars do. Next. This is Mother Goddess, Durga, with all the weapons, and this is the face. And she is having a trident. Next. Shirdi Sai Baba. You can see this is the face, this is the right leg like this, and this is Shirdi Sai Baba. This is Gita Upadesam, the horse and the chariots. And this is Lord Jupiter, Brahaspati. It is unicorn. Unicorn means Vatta Kombu Kudre. You can see the horse is having only one horn, it has 4 legs and a tail, and you see energy here. This is only Jupiter, he is riding a horse. It is called in Sanskrit Urdhva. In English it's called unicorn. Now this is the face of the horse, 1 horn, 4 legs, tail, and this is the Lord. Next. This is the Shiva family. No one in the world has ever shown this, I will show you. This is the crescent of Shiva. Forget all other, whatever I show, see. This is the crescent of the Shiva. Forget this. This is only Shiva. His face, his crown, and his hands, he is standing. This is a lion. Can you see a lion here? Can you separate Tanya or Man portion? Or Man, yeah. Can you see a lion here? This is a lion, tail, leg. So this is Shiva, this is his face. And next is the mother, it is her face. And she is having the parrot in her right hand. This is the sugarcane bow. And this is the Mother Goddess, face. And she is having a saree like this. Parrot, sugarcane bow. This is Shiva with a lion. This is the mother. You see a yes snake, English yes snake. This is only Muruga. And this is the yak with 2 horns, Nandi, the yak. And turn this picture. No. Turn. Can you see a peacock? Yeah, you were right. See, you see a peacock here, and you see another peacock, and you see the bell. This is the bell with the tongue. So this is called Gantaparna. And these are the 2 peacocks, Valli and Deviyane, with the snake Murugan. Now turn to the original. Turn. Yes. See, this is Murugan, this is Mother, this is Shiva, this is the crescent, this is the lion, this is the yak, and these are two peacocks, and up there is a bell here. See, this is the bell, Gantaparna. These are the two peacocks. This is how Shiva family looks. No one has shown in the world. I am the first person showing you. Shiva, Parvati, Naga Subramanya with Valli Devayana in two peacock forms and the bell of Kailash. Next. This is Mars energy. I am standing. Instead of my face, you see Mars, the red energy, the red aura. This is Mars, Chava, Muruga. Next. See, I am with Muruga in my mind. You can see a peacock here. I am remembering him. I get into that ecstasy, the subjectivity experience, and you can see the energy of Muruga in the caricature of a peacock. Next. See, I am doing my prayer. You can see Ganesha. This is Ganesha. He has come to bless me. I am in my prayer. See, this is Harihara, the child god. So on January 14th, when we worship him, you can see him sitting here. This is his weapon, axe, Kodali. So he is sitting with his axe. Parshurama and this man are one and the same. Another Parshurama Kodali. Next. See, this girl is here. Her name is Vidya. We were traveling somewhere in the train. I am sitting here. This is our Canada Mahalakshmi's sister Nalini. She is in Dubai. This girl is in America. And both of them are pressing my leg. So when they touch my body, the energy in my thighs, my energy in the body is cutting across her hand and flowing up. I always have that energy in my body. I am different from you. Okay, so she is also available here. So the energy from my body is flowing like this up. Next. This Devi, you saw it. Muruga, you saw it. Now I am standing here. You can see a snake. Only this I want. No, I am standing here. You see now. This is Garuda, a bird. This is snake. And these are the two bulls. And it is in this position. Two horns. And it is lying down. The snake and Garuda. So wherever I am standing, all the three vehicles of gods are standing near my leg. This is the vehicle of Shiva. This is the vehicle of the mother. This is the vehicle of Narayana. So I am a combination of Shiva, Shakti and Narayana. So those three vehicles always stand near my leg. I am standing up. So this is Nandi, this is snake and this is Garuda. So I hold all the three energies. So all the three vehicles are near my right leg. Next. See, I am sitting now in a crowd. This is the crowd. You can see a white elephant here. This white elephant is Ganesha. In our parts of bodies, there are different god forms. So this is the place of Ganpati, stomach, Ganesha. So from my stomach, the white elephant energy is flowing. Ganpati, white elephant. Next. This is Krishna. His face, peacock feather, flute, and he is standing. This is Krishna's face. Next. I am standing. Near my right leg, you can find Ayyappa Swami, Harihara. This is the face of the Lord. And he is sitting as if he is sitting in Sabarimala like this. Right, left, and he is sitting. This is Ayyappa's face. He is near my right leg. Next. This is a white light which goes from my head to the skies. This is my communication tower to these skies. So they can talk to me, I can talk to the celestial as to what I want. White light. Next. This is the lifted leg of Vishnu. Vishnu came in the form of a small boy. With one leg he measured the earth. With the other leg he went to the sky measuring the sky. This is the leg of Vishnu lifted to the sky. So when you lift your leg like this, it goes like that. That's why the leg is like that. This is the leg. Next. Hanuman over. This is Kalki. You can see the horse. Forget this. This is the horse. And this is the face of Kalki. He is looking like this to the sky. His one leg on this side of the horse, the other leg is on this side of the horse, and he is having a whip and riding in the skies. This is the horse, this is the face, these are the two legs, and this is the whip. He is riding like this in the sky. This is Kalki. Shiva, Radha Krishna, Shiva Parvati. Next. This is Ganesha. Next.
That's it. You have to go to the other folder. These are the charts.
No, these are over. Next. There are so many others. At least 36 things were there. No, bigger ones. Bigger ones. Agastya, I've shown how sage Agastya looks. This all I've shown. No. No, near our Pravina hall, there are 3 charts.